Hello everybody. Well, I just got in from doing the grocery shopping and washing the little 2001 Sunfire at the car wash. And Mama said that she was going to do the rest of the pork roast that was left over from her chili. And she's got it marinated in her secret spices and everything. You'll have to get with her to find out what her secret spices are. Anyway, there's the pork roast. And over here is a pan. And this pan is going to end up with the juices from that pork roast in it in the bottom and a stick of butter. And right now, I'm bringing up the green egg smoker. If nobody's ever cooked on the green egg smoker, it's absolutely amazing. The green egg smoker is one of the greatest things since sliced bread. And anyway, I just got it fired up here and getting it up to temperature. I always use either the royal oak, works very well with it, but the green egg charcoal is also very awesome. Now today what I'm going to do is this ceramic plate right here. I'm going to get the whole thing up to temperature, and I'm going to scrape it off, and I'm actually going to sear the meat on all four sides directly on the stone. And then I'm going to raise it up and put the pan right there on that, and I'm going to put it on top of the grate. The grate up underneath there is for doing ribs. So anyway, she's getting good fire started in there, and I got everything open. And like I said, I'm going to bring it up to about 500 degrees. And got it open there, and got that open right there, and I'll show you the rest of the setup later.